Hi, my name is Kwa, and today I'm going to demonstrate for the part 1 and also part 2. So for the part 1, it is designing and configuring a private virtual network using host-only adapter option. So here we are going to go to the setting for the server. The Debian Kwa is server and client. So for the server, we go to the setting and press network. Adapter 1, we select NIT so that it can access external network. And adapter 2 is to access internal network to build a network between the server and the client. So press at 1, allow all. Okay, and then client setting, go to the network, adapter 1 internal network, and then allow all so that it can have a connection with the server of the virtual machine. So and then we open the client for the server. So for the client we are going to configure the IP address, which is we're going to edit the interfaces file. So sudo nano /etc/network/interfaces, enter, and then enter the password. So for this one, it is for the interface bus number 0 slot 3. So this is the IP address that we wanted to configure, and then we Control O, save, enter, and then we exit. So after exiting, we will turn off the virtual machine to reboot the network, and then we would press IP address show to see if it has successfully configured. So here we can see that for the slot number 3, it is the IP address that we wanted with the mask 24, and then we will continue the same thing for the server. So for the server, we would edit the interfaces, sudo and then we press enter, and then we input our password. So here we have two slots. With the slot number 3 is with this one static IP address, and then for this one with not static IP, I mean DHCP IP address, so that we can connect the external network. And for this one, we have static IP address for the address of 192.168.1.254, and then we save it, Control O, enter, and then we exit, and then we will close the virtual machine, and then we turn it on back. So after doing that, we can also check if we have successfully configured. So IP address show. So here we can see for the bus 0 slot 3 is this, because we are using DHCP, and then for the bus number 0 slot 8 is using the same IP that we wanted to connect for the internal network. So lastly, we would want to check if the server and the client have successfully configured, because that is our objective for the part 2, which is to connect using static IP address between server and client. So we have the same static IP address of this one for the server and the client. So here in the server, we can see at here it is connected, and for the client, you can see it is unmanaged, because it can't connect to the external network. So now is the testing. For the testing, we will execute it at client. We will try to ping the static address that we have set just now, 192.168.1.254, enter. So as we can see here, it is receiving the MS, which means there is transmission of data, which means it has successful. And then to stop this, we will press Ctrl C. So and then to show that if the server still has the access to external network, as it has two adapter of interfaces, so we will go to the server, and then we'll open Firefox, and then we will check if it still has the access, as we have the ENP BITS1213 for the external network. So A, so as we can see, it can access the external network. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate and have a beautiful day.